Good morning, everybody. What I am doing is I'm heating these soles up, a fillet of sole, to take these apart. When you heat them up like this, the soles come off easier. I probably showed it a few times. A lot of people say I should use more bulbs and blah, 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 blah. You only need two. I don't want to heat it up too fast. If you heat it up too fast, that'd be not a chance. Just heat it up nice and slow. See how they're smoking? Sometimes you can make them boil, but I don't want to burn the inside of it. I'll come over here to the last. There's a little thinner. It beats all that sanding. I might have to sand that heel base off. That's why I use the oven. Probably showed it a few times. Thank you and have a good day.